Hello, all. Today, let's do a mindful meditation. It is also known as thought observation meditation. Thought observation meditation is ideal to calm one's mind, to improve concentration, to power up attention, and to get clarity of thoughts. This allows oneself to learn to allow the flow of their minds through thoughts and sensations without any judgment or without any ownership to the thoughts. Initially, make it to around 2 to 3 minutes, then you can gradually increase it to 10 minutes and then to 25 minutes. The Japanese call this practice as shikantaza, which means just sitting. Just sitting. Schedule a mindfulness practice at least a few moments into your daily morning routine. This way, you will find yourself less reactive and more able to deal with whatever comes your way. Use this as a guide to this thought observation meditation, and once you become well versed, you can do it by yourself. First, create a relaxing place to sit that is free of any distractions. This can be relatively quiet place. Next, get yourself into a stable seated position. It can be either with legs crossed on ground or on a chair with the feet touching the ground. Third is to position your heads comfortably without any strain. Relax your shoulders and then relax your jaws as well. Next is to focus on your breath and to bring it to a natural rhythm. Now start to pay attention to the sensation, the warm and cold sensations in your body, the noise of breathing, etc. This is sounding simple enough, right? Just feel all the sensations around you. You can close your eyes or can have a soft gaze at the ground that is 2 feet away from you. Now, observe all the thoughts flowing in your mind right now. Just let them come. Just observe. A non-judgmental observation would do. Just observe. One by one, keep on observing the thoughts. Just stay with the flow of your thoughts. Let all the thoughts flow. Let it come. Let it go. You would be getting a lot of clarity throughout the day after practicing this powerful meditation. Do practice it daily to get maximum benefits. Do subscribe to our channel for more on these. Thank you.